No more shaking. Engine back to normal. So we have good. We have good result. Yeah. Good now. No shaking. See that? Hallelujah. Yeah. Yeah. So we're good. Yeah. So take it for a spin and then come back here. We'll see.
Yeah.
And then after that, we may park this one to that and bring the board here. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I will wait here. So, pwedeng lipaya sa tangiya guys kay ibalik na sa normal tao na niyang engine, no? Yan sa Kenan. Magamit na niya ni pang trabaho. So, mauro to guys ang trick pagka nag-seize ang inyong injector or dili na magkuha, ano yung pagkasa magkuha, i-try lang ninyo ang plan B, which is this one here, solenoid. Okay? So take it for a spin, yeah? Yeah.
Round back.
Yeah, up and down and back about 5 minutes.
Right,
always.
okay.
And then come back in. Yeah, no worries. You have to call me. Hopefully no.